Have you ever wondered why honey is important for teeth whitening? A sweet question indeed. But before we delve into that, let's take a moment to appreciate the overall wonders of honey. This golden elixir bestowed upon us by industrious bees is a treasure trove of natural goodness. Rich in antioxidants, honey fights off harmful free radicals, boosts immunity, and even aids in digestion. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. But its benefits reach far beyond just general health. Now imagine this. The same honey that sweetens your tea could potentially brighten your smile. Sounds surprising, doesn't it? It may not be the first item that comes to mind when you think about dental care, but honey holds some intriguing potential when it comes to teeth whitening. Now that you know the general benefits of honey, you might be curious to know how it helps in teeth whitening. Well, we are just about to dive into that. Honey, a natural sweetener, holds a secret ingredient for teeth whitening. But what is it? This golden elixir is not just your ordinary sweetener, it's packed with a plethora of health benefits, one of which is teeth whitening. But how exactly does honey, a sugary substance, contribute to a brighter smile? The answer lies in its unique composition. You see, honey is a natural antimicrobial. It has the power to ward off harmful bacteria, preventing them from thriving in your mouth. This is all thanks to an enzyme called glucose oxidase, present in raw honey. When this enzyme comes into contact with saliva, it produces hydrogen peroxide, a compound known for its antibacterial and whitening properties. This naturally occurring hydrogen peroxide in honey works in two ways. Firstly, it helps to eradicate plaque-causing bacteria, keeping your mouth clean and healthy. Plaque is a sticky layer that forms on your teeth, harboring bacteria that can lead to cavities and gum disease. It also causes your teeth to appear yellow or discolored. By combating the bacteria that cause plaque, honey helps to keep your teeth whiter. Secondly, the hydrogen peroxide produced by honey's glucose oxidase enzyme acts directly on the tooth enamel, the outermost layer of your teeth. This layer is semi-translucent, meaning that any discoloration underneath can show through. The natural enzymes in honey can help to brighten this enamel layer, leading to visibly whiter teeth. It's important to note, however, that not all honey is created equal. To reap these teeth whitening benefits, you'll want to stick with raw, unprocessed honey. This is because the pasteurization process used to make conventional store-bought honey can kill off many of the beneficial enzymes and other nutrients. So there you have it. The science behind how honey can help you achieve a brighter smile is as simple as that. So why should you consider using honey for teeth whitening? Let's dive into the reasons. First and foremost, honey is a natural, chemical-free alternative to teeth whitening products that are often laden with harsh, artificial ingredients. It's a sweet, sticky substance that doesn't just satisfy your taste buds but also does wonders for your oral health. Moreover, honey boasts antimicrobial properties. It fights against harmful bacteria in the mouth that can lead to tooth discoloration and various oral diseases. By regularly applying honey, you're not only aiming for whiter teeth but also promoting a healthier oral environment overall. But that's not all. Honey also has the ability to naturally brighten tooth enamel. It does this by gently removing stains without causing any damage to your enamel, unlike many commercial whitening products. With all these benefits, it's clear that honey isn't just a sweet treat, but a natural route to a brighter smile, so why not give it a try?